Alright guys, welcome back to another video. This video I'm going to be talking about the Bitcoin price now, the Bitcoin closure this month, where we're going to close in about I think 3 or 4 days, the Bitcoin price prediction and my past Bitcoin mistakes that I made, right? So let's start with the Bitcoin price now. We are at 63,246 right now, according to this TradingView chart. We were recently this week we hit around 59 at 60,000. We went all the way for 59 60,000 to 66 67,000, and we're now floating around 63, right? So we are closing in about 3 days and 5 hours, right? What do I think of this close? I think could be a good close, it could be a bad close. We are above last month's high, last month's low actually. So last month's low was 59,313, and our low right now is 59,629, right? So we are above last month's low. So this is a good sign for us. And what it could mean is what I think it is we are, we hit this resistance here, this level of resistance and reversal repeated on the next month, right? Here, a reversal, and we broke above this previous line of resistance on the left, and this could be a retest, on this resistance for us to break the all-time high, right? I'm not sure about this yet. We're gonna have to see and wait. We're closing in about 3 days, right? So in next month, we're probably gonna come down, touch around 60 again, and then possibly pick back up or break below 59,629, and then I think we're probably gonna see, the 52 level. So if we go down to the weekly time frame, we are sitting at, the price action is below the moving average, which is not a good sign for me. I think it's not a good sign. And also we have the sell signal here on the RSI, right? We are sitting, we did hit 88, 87 here on the RSI, which is a bit too high, right? It's not a good sign to buy, and it's probably a good sign for you to sell, like right here when it was at around 62, right? We are waiting for, again, the monthly close to see what is going to happen next. And of course, this weekly candle is going to close in 1 day and 5 hours, right? If we drop down to the daily time frame, we are also below the moving average, which is not so good of a sign. Also, if we were trading above the moving average, is when we have our buy signal. Over here on the left, you can see that once price action is above the moving average, we have our buy signal here. And then if we scroll back to May 2022, we see that we were trading below, price action was below the moving average almost, for a couple of months, until we started consolidating around 20,000 there. But that means once we are below moving average, means we are in a seller's market, which means it's not so good if you want to buy, right? Hold on. Right, so going back to this Bitcoin price prediction, I think we have right now two possibilities, right? One of them will be break the 67, make that retest on previous resistance, and then keep going until 71, right? Second prediction is breaking below 60, retesting previous support, and then coming down to 52, right? So I'll explain why I think this is going to happen, is because we have a level of resistance here that needs to be broken here, and here we are acting as a support here, right, on the 60,000, 59 to 60,000, almost 61 here, the 60 level, right, between 59 and 61. that's a good level for you to, keep buying until price breaks. And this is probably what the candle is going to look if price breaks and gives a strong sell signal, right? Candle has to be basically engulf all of the candles on the left. Has to be, big red candle, and then probably gonna see another red candle here. If this happens, it's not a good sign if you are bought over here, but you can also think that it's a very good opportunity for you to buy at a lower price, right? And one of the mistakes that I made, which I said I was going to talk in the beginning, is when price starts to dip, right? And price starts to fall, 56, 55, 54,000, you were basically not in a good position if you're buying around these areas. You have to wait until price, forms that red candle, another red candle, and then next, after that, gives you a buy signal, which let's just say will look like this, but green, and then probably another green candle. And this is, of course, it's not going to look like this, but a a signal for you to start buying, and not when price is, on that downfall, right? If you start to see like a sign, a confirmation for a buy, that's when you should enter, and not when price is dipping and, doesn't give you any confirmations for you to enter a trade, right? So we are right now sitting at 63. I think we can possibly break 67, hit 71, or break 60, retest, and hit 52, right? So let's wait a couple more days and wait for this monthly closure to see what's really gonna happen. All right. Comment down below what you guys want me to show you on the next video, and yeah, subscribe for more. Thank you.